Welcome back to Jay's Tech Tips. So today I just wanted to go through you guys a little small tiny issue I'm having. So as you know, well, if you didn't know, you know now that I do photography, and as you can see on the desktop, that I take pictures such as this one here, and everything else is going to be on the slideshow in the desktop. These were not on a full frame camera slash lens, so what camera I have now, the Sony what was it? The Sony A7R III is a full frame camera and means you have full frame, so this will also be covered as well. It's also 42 megapixels, and the other one's only 24, not full frame. Now that's not the issue I'm having. The issue I'm having is when I compiled all the images I took into a slideshow. Well, I got this result. So it's actually not bad. It's a little bit here. So we get to about this point, and this is where it kind of goes a bit wrong. I'll show you guys what I mean. As you can see, there's a bit of tearing going on here that just doesn't digitize properly. You can see part of the tree there, but it just doesn't work at all. It hasn't completed the animation, and it just destroys the image. And this is the other part as well. It's supposed to slide off onto the left, and then this bit brings itself up, but then it does, and then it pushes itself back, and then it still shows the other image on the left in the back, and then it will stay there, and the rest of it runs fine. That was weird. Okay, that's never happened to me before, but this is the even weirder part. So this is my trip to Germany, the 13th to the 20th of October. This just 2 months ago, more or less exactly. And then I open up with Wondershare Filmora, which is what I used to edit it on, and then create that final product. So you think, okay, of running it through, scrub through, it should exactly be, what I've just seen, because, desktop, this is what it is, my trip to Germany. Okay, so we add that, then we expand that. We're gonna just scrub all the way to here, and then you guys will see what I saw last night, if not the weirdest thing yet I'm gonna say. So it should do exactly the same thing. And it works perfectly fine. You're like, what? What's happened? I have no idea. So that is very, very odd. Even if I scrub through it, it will show you that it works fine. The page, tears correctly, and the image slides in the background and goes over. I have no idea why this is happening. My only theory is it's just the way what it's being viewed on. It doesn't like it. I do think I have another. I think a VLC window. I might try it with VLC. This one kind of supports the most different type of media files, but it's MP4. Okay, well, there's an update going on. Let's just scrub to. Oh no, I don't think it likes it. Nah. Actually, it tore it slightly different. As you can see, there's a bit more going around here, and a bit less. Let's install the new version of VLC. I haven't think I've updated it in a while. Let's see what happens here. Oh, an update. Yeah, so the same thing happened. Luckily I have another one. We'll use Windows Media Player. Which I haven't used in a while as well. Let's scrub through it. No, it's actually worse on Windows Media Player. It's taking out a massive chunk around here, and this bit here is just disgusting. But that's worked slightly better, maybe. I don't know, but it still came back out again. Finish that. Maybe this update might help. Oh, it's just a winter update. Fantastic. What was there? Nothing. Was there anything there? I don't know. I'll look back at the recording. Oh, no, why? Go away. So yeah, let's just open this with VLC and see what happens. Scrub through it. There we go. Ow. Oh, actually, that is slightly better. Now, I'm assuming it's to do with the actual video. I don't think they can run it properly for some reason. It's just a slideshow of images. The rest run fine. No sort of issues with anything else. So maybe if I upload it, there will be no problems. Because as you saw with different media players, it worked slightly better. So this new VLC type, this part here, scrubbing doesn't really go down very well. That kind of tore correctly within this. Okay, actually, it's gotten worse now. It got worse. It was like it was doing really well. It kind of came all the way out, and then and then it got worse again. God damn it! I was like, oh, yeah, it's fixing. No, nah, for God's sakes. Oh, damn it. Yeah. So if I just upload it and see what happens, and then if not, I will probably just delete it from. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. It shouldn't be a problem. It could be maybe the files. No. Maybe it's because pictures are in such a higher resolution. I don't know, I don't think that's correct. The rest are running fine. I don't know. It could be. I'm assuming it's just the video players because they can't play it correctly. Now each one was having slightly different problems. None of them were exactly the same. And then I ran the VLC, it kind of, happened more than once. If I just run its initial one, yeah. Oh wow, that's actually gotten worse. Yeah, so you kind of expand and then go and then retract. Oh, it actually changed each time I scrub through it. Huh. Guess it varies on how I scrub it. See, but it destroys it differently every time I scrub. See, now it's different. That's really weird. I have no idea why it's happening, but I'm just gonna upload it, hope for the best, and if not, I'm just gonna redact the file. So, redacting. Yeah, I just delete it because it's just not happening. But I just want to show you guys that those are sort of issues I have to face behind the scenes. One of many I have to go through and see whether or not it's actually going to be a real problem or it's just the media player can't actually do it. I don't know why this happens. Sometimes I sort them out, but some of the time it's just like you can't do anything. And you try all the alternatives. I've actually, this is not the first file I've made. I've made several others, and it always keeps happening on that one part. Because as you saw when I open up Wondershare Filmora, and then I export it into an MP4 file, if I open it up in Wondershare Filmora, it works fine. Okay, you play it through it, you can scrub through it. It works fine in editing and everything else. It can run it absolutely fine, even after it's processed and finished. Scrubbing through it works absolutely fine, fantastic. There you go, there you go. But when for some reason it's being exported, nothing works. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload it and pray for the best. We can just run it through Wondershare Filmora so you guys can see it fully, and then you get a gist of what it should look like because it kind of tore half the screen on that one image. Obviously it won't process correctly. It will have I think it needs to render properly or whatever, inside, doesn't it? Yeah, render time. So if I try and play it like full screen, it won't play properly, will it? See, it will come up a slightly, pixelated.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So yeah, that's how it's supposed to run. But as you guys keep saying, it doesn't want to do that at all. So yeah, just a massive issue, and I'm hoping for the best, really. So just a bit of behind the scenes of what I'm facing in some of these videos and editing and slideshow problems, and I'm hoping it fixes itself. So I will show you guys when I upload it after this and see if it runs properly on YouTube. So I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching part 1, and I'll see you guys in part 2. I've just finished uploading this to YouTube onto my vlogging channel, and this is the moment of truth. So I just put in here there could be a few things wrong with it, just in case anyone did watch it, which is highly unlikely. But yeah, but apparently one person did. So let's go. This is where this is the point where you just go after, just that's when Okay, so I think it's the one after this one. This the one after. God damn, it works. Oh, that was so infuriating. I was like, why is it not working? Why? And then it worked. I'm like, thank God. That is such a relief. Whew. That was actually very painful. Because even right now. Yep, even right now, it's not working properly. So, I'm just glad that is done and dusted. Thank God for that. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. And if you want to check out what I do on a daily basis, you can look at look at my vlogging channel if you want to subscribe for all the behind the scenes and latest updates. That's will go onto here first, but then when I edit it, it goes into my other channels and so on and so forth. This one is to show you guys on this channel primarily that I have very annoying issues that are very tech related, and it's just the most annoying thing. So it is just the media player itself wasn't. None of them were playing it properly, but then on YouTube, it works fine. And even when I was going through it on the One for Mora software, it was working fine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.